Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I put together a very quick tutorial going over something I've never done on my channel before, which is an all-over lightener application, aka bleach and tone. I am not a huge fan of this because of a few different reasons, like being more prone to damage, but if you want this done, you have to make sure you keep up with it constantly. I have only a handful of clients who do this technique, and I require them to be back in my chair every 4 weeks and not a day later. If it grows more than that half an inch, it will cause hot roots, which is what we call in the hair industry world, hair that is really light at the root and then it turns dingy or darker as it progresses into the mids and ends. There's a heat zone in your head. That's why if people are doing an all-over application, they usually will put the lightener on the mids and ends first and then go back and hit the root at the last 20 minutes. It's because that root lightens very quickly for that first half an inch because of the heat from our scalp. So it's a lot of work. I'll have a video coming up where I actually do it on a female client and actually get into detail about everything. But I threw together this quick video with my cousin Jay just to show you guys an example.
Why is it so cold?
I don't know. That looks pretty good.
Right? Oh yeah, you're like really nice. Why is it cold?
I don't know. You got me freezing, bud.
Fear in the atmosphere I breathe. Revolution against the system. Nothing of the future left for you until we go.
I popped my lid. It's broke.
Resistance. Losing faith was a reaction to your miscalculation. Waiting to watch the world burn. Waiting to watch the world burn.
Oh yeah. Stone that hair.
Jay, ew.
Camera too.
It was on camera last video.
My little trick is blowing, putting the blue on afterwards.
I'm so
You can
confused.
see it has like white.
You did it,
Yeah,
man.
you're like white without even toning. That's beautiful.
Yes, that's what I want to be. I don't
Yeah, look at that.
Whoa.
Without even toning him.
No toner, no.
Canola's the strongest shit on the market right now.
God, is that you? I've been looking at the light. I think I'm going to it.
Oh my god. Nah, you're in What is she? Oh yeah.
Wow.
Taking a stand, this wasn't enough. We the people expect to change the world.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this quick little mini tutorial that's funny with me and my cousins, give me a huge fat thumbs up, don't forget to share with friends and family who might be interested, and subscribe, it's free to do so. I'll see you in the next one, so long for now.